Good morning, Facebook. Well, another bright and sunny day. It's showing a bit of promise, to be honest, the weather now. We're here at Jay's Auto Service in Almere, preparing for tomorrow's event, getting the tables and chairs all sorted and stuff like that. You can see the doctor and AJ in the background there, chewing the fat. It's going to be absolutely awesome event tomorrow. I've tagged the event, so feel free to put yourself in as going, and let's see you all tomorrow. So let's have a couple of words with the doctor and AJ themselves.
AJ's the good looking one.
Doctor, how are we?
Yeah, we're good.
AJ, how are you, mate?
We're good. We're at AJ's beautiful workshop. Yeah, we're ready to go for tomorrow. So we're doing a bit of planning today. You know, get organised, get ready for everyone turning up here tomorrow. So it's going to be awesome day. We'll be looking at his PN counter.
Yeah.
For all the UK people. We'll see them in the UK.
Particle matter.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll see it in the UK.
Probably.
I think we might see it pretty soon. You know, so AJ's all.
Ja, looking forward to tomorrow. So voor alle Nederlandse kijkers, morgen om 11 uur zaterdag kunnen jullie bij ons langskomen. We gaan alles over roetfilters behandelen. Steve Scott is er, Darren Dutton is er en ook hebben we onze eigen Diagnostics die ook een vrouwtje gaat doen omtrent de problematiek met roetfilters. Dus zorg dat je erbij bent morgen.
It's going to be awesome, isn't it?
It's going to be awesome. So I'm going to do a talk, maybe an hour, a bit about who we are, how we can help workshops, help them to get to the bottom of DPF problems efficiently, give them, you know, help with the process and stuff like that. Steve, the man behind the camera, is going to be doing a talk also, and then Diagnose Dan. So it's going to be a nice relaxed day, and we'll welcome any questions. You know, our phone's been red hot since getting here with questions about stuff from some Dutch guys. Come along, ask some questions.
So the important thing is, it doesn't matter what you're using, who you're using it with, who you're working for, whatever. Everybody's welcome, aren't they?
No, now we're working with. It doesn't matter what products or chemicals people are using. We're here as a training and support provider. So we've now moved away from, you know, you need to use this. You know, it's not. It doesn't really work. You know, when we're, you know, people might be happy with the product they're already using, but are missing a bit of that process, so we can help with that. You know, so you know, it doesn't really matter.
It's all about the process.
It's all about the process. Yeah, good knowledge and understanding. You know, so hopefully we'll see you tomorrow and answer all your questions.
That's it. Awesome. Any final words, AJ?
See you all tomorrow.
That's it. That's the way forward, isn't it?
AJ's the handsome one. I'm the little fat one, and he's the handsome one. You know, so he's the poster boy.
Oh dear. So I'm choking on Darren saying he's a little fat one. He is little fat, short legs. So we've been on a train this morning, been on a plane yesterday. We've been on a bus as well. So we've done buses, trains, planes. I'm not going on a boat. So there we go. There we go. So we're going to Evelyn this afternoon. Wait and see. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome chippy Friday. You're awesome.